A poorly planned feeding area can affect the performance of an entire production line. On a drawing, coils may look like simple material input points, but in the real plant, many more factors appear. Handling space, operators, forklifts, safety zones, maintenance access, coil replacement, and continuous material flow into the line. If this area is not properly validated, the problem does not appear in the render. It appears when the line is already installed. In this virtual environment, we can walk through the coil feeding area from different perspectives and analyze how it integrates into the complete layout. We can check whether there is enough space to handle the material, whether the access points are practical, whether the operator can work safely, and whether the feeding area connects correctly with the rest of the process. The key is not only to see the machine, the key is to understand how it will be operated. Because a production line does not fail only because of mechanical design. It can also fail when the layout does not respect the reality of daily operation. At CIDTECH, we develop virtual industrial environments to validate critical areas before manufacturing, installation, or plant modification. Less improvisation during installation. Fewer access problems. More clarity before making decisions.